Here.
No. No. No.
Get the tip a little bit closer. That's better. That's looking good. Keep squeezing the trigger. You're getting too far away though. Get your tip back in there. Yeah, that's good. Come on. Now, you got a brand new side to start over on. Okay? Remember, keep that tip right up there close. Okay? Keep your tip in close and your wire short. Comfortable? Do it? Ready? Alright, whenever you want. Get your tip down, get your tip down. Get this closer. Slow down now, slow down. There you go, that's looking better, looking better. Get your tip back in there, get closer, get closer, get closer. There you go. Too far away. That's good. Get up the end of him. Alright. How's it look this time? Looks better? Good. Now what?